System.io is an all-in-one course platform, allows you to sell both physical and digital products. And as part of the platform, there's an email area allowing you to send newsletters, which are like broadcast emails, and campaigns, which are automated. The entire platform has automations, which include the email platform. To integrate with the platform, you can include ActiveCampaign along with the platform. And to use the email platform, you can either use System.io or you can use a SendGrid API key to assist you with deliverability. However, System.io does have a built-in autoresponder. So the pricing is more based on the platform and less on your email subscribers. Because the platform is not a dedicated email platform, it does allow for unlimited email sending. It's really tied to the course platform more than anything else. And the features are more based on the platform themselves. So it's not so much based on email. So you do have marketing automation tools. They're integrated with the entire platform. Correspondingly, System.io is affiliate friendly and does have tools available for marketers, even though, again, it's not a dedicated email platform. Within their platform, you can tag and segment your list and segment your subscribers. And the platform, although not a dedicated email platform, currently does use unlimited sending, but can change in the future. For your entire management of your platform, you can delegate those duties to another individual. That is inclusive of email. So if you need someone to manage your email inside of your System.io platform, you can do that with a team that you have available. And again, you can integrate SendGrid or ActiveCampaign to the entire platform in order to send your emails. So you can use these two email options. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.